Let me ask you something. If you hear the words real estate investing, what comes to mind? For most people, it's buying properties, managing tenants, fixing things when they break, or taking on large amounts of debt and hoping the market goes in their favor. And the truth is, that version of real estate isn't for everyone. But what if I tell you that you can earn income from real estate without ever owning a property at all? No tenants, no property management, no fixing anything, and certainly no riding the emotional ups and downs of the stock market. But just consistent, predictable monthly income. A lot of people want real estate income, but they simply don't want the stress that usually comes with it. Maybe you've tried to learn before. You've watched the videos. You've joined groups. You listen to different experts explaining different strategies. And instead of clarity, you just simply feel overwhelmed. Or maybe you thought, this feels risky. I don't want to lose money learning the hard way. I just want something that actually makes sense. And if that's you, I simply want you to know there's nothing wrong with that. That hesitation isn't fear. It might be wisdom. So here's something most people are never taught. Wealth doesn't have to be loud. It doesn't have to be stressful. And it doesn't have to feel chaotic. Some of the most effective wealth building strategies are actually very quiet. They're not flashy. They don't make headlines. They're not trendy, but they're steady. And one of those strategies is what we call mortgage note investing. Most people never hear about it, not because it doesn't work, but because it operates quietly in the background of real estate. So let's talk about this simply. When someone buys a home using a loan, they sign a mortgage note. That note is a legal agreement that says, I will make monthly payments. Banks create those loans, but they don't always keep them. They sell them. And when you own the note, you become the one receiving those payments. You're not fixing a property. You're not managing the tenants. You're not relying on appreciation or timing the market. You're simply focused on income. Traditional real estate is about ownership. Mortgage note investing is about cash flow. Instead of asking, what will this property be worth someday? You're asking, what income does this produce now? It's a shift from speculation to structure. And for people who value predictability and peace of mind, that shift can be incredibly powerful. At this point, you might be wondering, so is it safe? Is it complicated? Is this one only for experienced investors or wealthy people? And those are fair questions. Like any investment, education matters. Understanding the process matters. Knowing what to look for matters. This isn't about gambling or guessing. Mortgage notes have been used for decades by banks, institutions, and funds because they produce reliable income. The difference today is that individuals like you and me now have access to this strategy. When they're shown how it works step by step. This approach is especially well suited for people who want income without the chaos. People who don't want to be landlords. People who prefer clarity over complexity. People who value calm decision making over consistent stress. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building income intentionally, sustainably, and with confidence. That's exactly why we created the Quiet Wealth Income Builder. This training is designed to guide you through mortgage note investing in a clear, step-by-step way, where there's no hype, there's no pressure, there's no overwhelming jargon. There's just simple education, clarity, and guidance. You learn how mortgage notes work, how income is generated, and how to approach the strategy with confidence, even if you felt stuck or unsure where to start. If you've been looking for a calmer way to build real estate income, this may be the path you've been searching for. If you're ready to take the next step, the link to the training is in the comments. Take your time, explore it, learn. And if this resonates with you, we'll be there to guide you step by step. Real estate income doesn't have to be stressful, and you don't have to own the property to build it. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.